number 2, everyone. This is also important theorem. All right, everyone see theorem number 2 is. So only 2 theorems. These 2 theorems are important. So theorem number 2, everyone see theorem number 2. What is the statement of the theorem number 2 is vector form equation of a line. Vector form equation of a line. Vector form of equation of a line passes through 2 given points. Passes through 2 given points. 2 given points. Passes through 2 given points. Passes through 2 given points. What are the 2 given points? Is the capital A, its position vector is the A bar, and capital B, its position vector is the B bar. Is vector form na R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. This is the vector form of the equation passing through the 2 points. Already we completed in this straight line first year. What point we have to complete it with? The line is passing through the 2 points. Capital A, x1, y1. Capital B, x2, y2. What is the equation of the line is? What is the equation of the line is? So, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. We have to complete it this one. So R we can write y minus y1 is equal to cross multiplication y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the slope into x minus x1 also we can write. But easy for remembering, we can apply the same straight line equation. We are going to convert into vector form. Means, so by the vector form, we can reduce the equation. One by one methods. What they are going to given is, one method is they are going to prove means, other person thinks that they are going to prove the one more method. Okay, na? One more method they are going to given. That means they are going to reduce the easy process. So they are going to reducing the solving of the equation or anything by the simple process only. Okay, na? This is that they are going to given. So theorem, why they are going to given the number of concepts mean one by one they are going to make this simplification. Simplification, that is so easy for remembering, easy for doing the problem. For that purpose, they are going to making the system is the simplification. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see the proof is. I am going to write the proof of the theorem is. First, I am going to take the 2 vectors. It is joined with the origin. It is joining with the origin. Okay, na? Right. I take the 3 dimension. So already I will tell anti-clockwise we can move. No sir, from here I x, y, z I will take means no objection we can take. This is the origin point. Direction is the OY side, OX side and the OZ side. I am taking the one line. So A point, its position vector is the A bar means immediately joined with the O. And this is the B point. Its position vector is the B bar means immediately joined with the origin, OA direction, OB direction. Immediately equation means compulsory locus point is required. I will take the locus point, P point. So immediately join with origin, its position vector is the R bar. Right. 3 points are collinear. A, P, B are lie on in the before 11.1. I will explain. Problem also we can do. 3 points are collinear. They are different in only constant. The Diaz ratios is the same constant. They are different in only constant. They are different in only constant. Okay, na? So 3 points lie on the same line. So the Diaz ratios are equal, mean they are different in only constant. First one is the 3, 4, 6 means. Second one is the 9, 12, 18. They are different in only by dividing we get the same ratio 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So mean they are different in only constant. Okay, na? First one is the multiplied by 3, second one we form. Then we say that first write down the constant T, write down let OA bar is equal to A bar, OB bar is equal to B bar, and OP bar is equal to R bar. Next, what we have to observe by the triangle laws take. First triangle laws. Already we know that AP bar, how can you write? But you can, theorem is there, that's why triangle laws we can take. By the triangle law, write down from triangle law, from what is the triangle is OAP triangle, OAP small triangle, OAP triangle. So direction it is moving towards A to B. So therefore, so same direction OA bar plus AP bar is equal to OA bar plus AP bar is equal to OP bar, right? AP bar is equal to OP bar minus OA bar. So AP bar is equal to R bar minus A bar. Let it be equation number 1. So by the triangle law only it should be right because of next. Take this side, big triangle. From triangle law, take the big triangle. From triangle AO, next take the triangle OAB, big triangle. OAB law, triangle law. So OAB, big triangle. OA bar plus AB bar is equal to OB bar. So AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar. AB bar is equal to OB bar is a B bar minus A bar. Let it be equation number 2. By the two triangle laws, I will write. By the triangle law is that two concepts is completed. Okay, right. Everyone go through the next point is here is AB, APB are collinear. APB are collinear. Lie on the same line. APB are collinear. So AB is parallel to AB line. AP line is parallel to AB line. Okay, right? Their two lines are parallel. They are different in only constant. AP bar is equal to some lambda into AB bar. Right, write on the AP bar vector from the equation 1. R bar minus A bar. AB bar vector B bar minus A bar. R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. This is the vector form of the equation of the line. This is the vector form of the equation of the line. Okay, na? Cartesian form. Next, I go through the Cartesian form. Cartesian form is we are going to every vector equation is C. R bar is equal to A bar, some lambda into B bar minus A bar. Some lambda into B bar minus, so some lambda into vector. Some lambda into vector. That's why you should be remembered. Cartesian form. I go through the Cartesian form. Cartesian form is coordinate geometry We are converting coordinate geometry equations to straight line only. We are going to converting coordinate geometry straight lines is we converting in the vector form. Vector form is the simple form for doing the problems. Right, Cartesian form we can write means we are what is the relation between vector to coordinate geometry? Right, everyone see the Cartesian form. Cartesian form. Cartesian form. Right, write down everyone. OP bar is the locus point xi plus yj plus zk. Xi plus yj plus zk. Next, A bar vector write down. A bar vector is x1i plus y1j plus z1k. B bar vector write down. x2i plus y2j plus z2k plus z2k. Right? By the vector form, first write down vector form, everyone. First write down the vector form and convert into the coordinate geometry form. Vector form is, what is the vector form is? R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda into D bar minus A bar. R bar place write down xi plus yj plus zk. Next, A bar place write down x1i plus y1j plus z1k plus lambda into D bar place write down x2i plus y2j plus z2k minus of A bar write down, multiply with minus of x1i minus y1j minus z1k minus z1k. Right, minus z1k. Right, comparing the components of ijk. Comparing components of ijk. First compare the I component. First everyone compare the I component. So x is equal to x1 plus lambda x2 minus x1. So x minus x1 is equal to lambda x2 minus x1. X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to lambda. Comparing the j coefficients. Everyone compare the j coefficients. Everyone compare the j coefficients. So y is equal to y1 plus lambda. Here is the y2 minus y1. Y minus y1 is equal to lambda y2 minus y1. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to lambda. Last, comparing the k components. Everyone compare the k components. Everyone compare the k components. K components in z is equal to z1 plus lambda into z2 minus z1. Here is the z2, here is the minus z1. Z minus z1 is equal to lambda into z2 minus z1. Z minus z1 by z2 minus z1 is equal to lambda. Now write down the equation is. Now everyone write down what is the conclusion. Cartesian form is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal is equal to, everyone write down, y minus y1 by y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So always x1, y1, z1 is the passing through the point. Denominator is the always drs. Drs formula 2 points is given. Drs is the x2 minus x1. Always denominators is the drs. Okay, na? If the Cartesian form and a vector form is completed, now we go through the exercise 11.2. Some point problems we can do. Next, we can do the sorry. First problem we are going to see. Find so that the line to the points is perpendicular. Okay. Next theorem also we are going to complete. So theorem number 3 we have to complete it, means then only we are going to do the problems. So theorem number 3 we can see. Angle between two lines. Theorem number 3. Everyone see the theorem number 3. Theorems are completed, mean problems are very simple. Theorem number 3. Everyone see the theorem number 3. Angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Between two lines. Okay, na? Angle between the two lines is the theorem number 3. So what they will give, sir? Angle between the two lines is drs of the first line and drs of the second line they will give. Therefore, next, write down the statement. The angle between the two lines, the angle between the lines. First line is first line r bar is equal to a1 plus lambda into b1. R bar is equal to a1 plus lambda into b1. A1 is indicating the passing through the point. B1 is the drs. So no means for having the angle between the two lines, having drs a1 b1 c1, a1 b1 c1, and second line dr is the a2 b2 c2 is, write down, cos theta is equal to cos theta is equal to everyone cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root over a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root over a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Right. Everyone write down this concept. Now I go through the right. Everyone see. Here is proof of the theorem is. Proof of the theorem. Everyone observe. The two lines. First, I am going to create the 3D y z axis, x axis, and y axis. 3 directions. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. The two lines are passing through the horizon, then only it should have the drs. The two lines are passing through the horizon, then only we have the drs. First line drs is given a1 b1 c1. Second line drs is given a2 b2 c2. Then the two angles have the angle is the theta. Immediately So dr is the components. Dr is the component of the vectors. So OA bar is the one line. A1I, let OA bar is equal to dr is the components of ijk. Dr is the components of ijk. Next, OB bar is equal to A to I plus B to J plus C to K. Next, the angle, let theta be the angle between two vectors OA bar and OB bar. OA bar and OB bar. Then cos theta formula is dot product OA bar dot OB bar by modulus of OA bar into modulus of OB bar. Dot product mean I components multiplication, J components multiplication, K components multiplication. Therefore, cos theta is equal to I component multiplication is the A1, A2, B1, B2, J component is the C1, C2 by root OA bar is the root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Always a angle is taken as a positive represent in modulus. Simple theorem, nothing is there. But what is the concepts I will write here is, everyone see, I will write the 3 points, basic that one. Tomorrow, we can do the problems tomorrow. We have to complete the tomorrow exercise only. Any cost, I will complete the exercise tomorrow. Right, everyone see the, what are the points in that one is? Everyone see, first point, vector form is given. Note point 1. Vector form is given. Vector form of lines. 2 vector form of the lines is given. So what is the R bar is equal to first line. R bar is equal to A1 plus lambda into B1. A1 and the second line. R bar is equal to A2 plus lambda into B2. Then cos theta is required.